International standards require Niftylift to introduce a range of safety functions to ensure the safety of the user at all times. One of these safety functions is load sensing. Niftylift have been using load sensing for many years, and it's a robust and reliable system. The Niftylift load sensing system is made up of three main components: the load cell, the printed circuit board, and the master PLC. The load cell forms the connection between the platform and the booms of the MUP. The cell uses a strain gauge to measure the basket weight at all times. The output of the gauge is then fed directly into the PCB, where the signal is analyzed against the preset maximum and minimum weight settings. If the basket weight is within the safe working load, then the master PLC allows movement. If the basket weight is over the safe working load, then the master PLC prevents movement. The maximum safe working load can be set using a Niftylift calibration tool. First, ensure the basket has zero ballast and any optional extras have been removed. Then plug the calibration tool into the PCB and press and hold the 0 button until all 5 LEDs on the PCB illuminate. Next, load the basket with ballast to the exact safe working load displayed in the cage. Press and hold the safe working load button until all 5 LEDs on the PCB illuminate. An audible and visual alarm will trigger. If a small amount of ballast is removed or upward pressure is applied, then the alarm will stop. The load sensing system has now been calibrated. The load sensing system is active at all times. If the basket is overloaded in a static or stowed position, all machine functions will be disabled. To regain machine movement, load must be removed from the basket. If the load sensing system is triggered during operation, all functions will be immediately disabled. In the event an operator is in trouble or stranded, the recovery button can be used to safely override the load sensing system. This will allow movement of the boom in order to release the load. Once the load is released, normal operation can continue via the green button. Each time the override function is used, it is counted and displayed as a warning on the display screen, which can be acknowledged and reset via the onboard diagnostic menus. Once you can operate and maintain a load sensing system on one machine in the range, you can do so on all Niftylift machines. Niftylift's load sensing is fully road tested. It's a reliable system that's been in operation for many years.